This project at Wilmcote House is a refurbishment project for an 11-storey building in the centre of Portsmouth. Most of the residents are suffering from serious fuel poverty, which we're addressing as part of the works by super insulating the building and reducing future maintenance costs.
We've taken the decision to refurbish rather than demolish a block because we did quite a lot of work studying the real cost of demolition, and when we took into account other factors such as decanting the block, disturbance allowances, rebuilding, we felt that this was definitely the more beneficial option for Portsmouth City Council.
The particular challenges of this project are that the tenants in the properties are in fuel poverty. They're suffering from challenges in terms of thermal comfort because of the original specification of the construction. It's very thermally inefficient. The actual construction type itself is a big challenge as well, because in terms of the design, we've had to completely modify the construction. So ECD have designed a steel frame that goes on the outside of the building. That will include some of the insulation. It will also carry some extra insulation, and also they've come up with some really great design when it comes to enclosing the balconies and creating more space for the tenants.
We're taking every effort we can to try and minimise disruption and trying to accommodate them while they're living in the building.
The Rockwool solution for Wilmcote House really is a number of Rockwool products and systems. These are going to be applied internally as well as externally. And also, part of the building is going to be finished off with our range screen system called Rockpanel.
So the works will meet the NFIT standard in a number of ways. We'll be super insulating the building, significantly reducing heat loss through the thermal envelope. We'll be providing mechanical ventilation with heat recovery, but it's critical in doing so that we make sure that the air tightness is reduced down to the bare minimum, no more than 1 air change per hour.
This project's being funded by housing rent accounts, so the rental income that we get from our residents is funding our capital programme, and we've taken a deliberate decision to not seek other funding to make the project stand on its own 2 feet.
The benefits that the Rockwool solutions bring are not only improving the thermal comfort and the energy efficiency for the tenants, this will include reducing their bills. In addition to that, there'll be acoustic benefits as well, so each flat will be quieter and will be protected from external noise. Plus as well, the properties will be more fire safe due to the inherent qualities of Rockwool.